Hey everyone, my name is Warren and I'm the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Today I wanted to bring you a quick tutorial video on connecting your phone to your Mini. So to begin, we're going to, from our main menu, navigate to the communication menu. Once we're inside the communication menu, we're going to scroll down and select Manage Mobile Devices, and this is going to allow us to then select Connect New Device. Here we have a couple options of how we want to connect our phone. We can either pair the telephone with Bluetooth. That will also automatically connect Bluetooth audio for us as well. Or if we have an iPhone, we can choose to connect with Apple CarPlay. I'm going to demonstrate pairing with Bluetooth, as that will work for any mobile device. Apple CarPlay will be a very similar pairing process. You will simply click CarPlay instead and go through the CarPlay menu on your iPhone. So in order to pair with Bluetooth, we're going to start by selecting telephone. The car will then give us instructions that our Mini will be identified by this unique number. On our device, we will go into Settings, followed by Bluetooth, and we will look for where our device displays other or new devices to connect to. And I can see Mini followed by the code has popped up. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that. I will get a prompt on my device that says, do I want to pair or not? I will say pair. I'll also click OK here on Mini. I'll follow the prompts on my device to allow contacts to sync with the car. I'm now getting a message saying, do I want to connect with CarPlay, because I do have an iPhone and it is compatible. I'm going to go ahead and say, do not connect with CarPlay for the purpose of this demonstration. All right, so we can now see my iPhone is listed here. You can see the two icons at the end, which signify we're connected for telephone use and for Bluetooth audio. And you can see the third icon just came up. I'm also connected for compatible apps. You can go ahead and click on a device, and it will allow you to select which functions are active or not. You also at the bottom have the ability to disconnect the device or delete the device from your Mini completely. Now that we have our phone connected, we can go back to the communication menu. At the top, we have contacts, which will now be your full contacts list that you can easily access and dial numbers from. Recent calls, which will be any numbers you've recently dialed, easy access to redial anyone listed there. And dial number will simply allow you to manually enter a number that you'd like to call. I hope this has been a helpful, quick tutorial video on how to get your phone connected to your new Mini. Of course, as always, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or would like a little extra assistance with connecting your phone or anything related to your Mini. Once again, my name is Warren and I'm the product genius here at South Shore Mini. Take care, everyone.